In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change author tag name in Excel file. This is a quick change, and it can be useful if you want your spreadsheet to show a different author name in the file details. For example, you may want to replace an old name with your current one, or change it to a company title for a more professional presentation. Excel lets you do this directly from the File Information area. To begin, open your Excel file and go to the top left corner of the window. Click the File tab. This will take you out of the worksheet view and into the Backstage area, where Excel stores file settings and document properties. Once you are there, look to the green menu on the left side of the screen and click Info. This section shows important details about the workbook, including permissions, properties, and the people related to the file. Now move your attention to the far right side of the Info panel. Find the section called Related People. In that area, you will see the current name listed next to the author label. This is the author tag attached to the Excel file. Place your mouse pointer over the existing author name. Then right-click on that name. A small pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, select Edit Property. This option allows you to directly update the author information without needing to go through any advanced settings. After that, type the new name you want to use into the text field. You can enter a personal name or a company name, depending on how you want the file to appear. Make sure you enter the name carefully, especially if this workbook will be shared with others, since this property may be visible in the file details. When you are done typing the new author name, click anywhere on a blank area of the screen. This confirms the change and locks the updated name into place. At that point, the author tag should reflect the new information you entered. If you want, you can stay on the info page for a moment and visually confirm that the new name appears correctly next to the author field. That is a simple way to make sure the update has been applied before you close the file or continue working. That covers everything you need to know.